Hello beautiful people, it's Kim and welcome back to my channel. So guess what? For today's video, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video for Qymerry February main kit and the two add-on kits, which is the washi add-on kit and sticker add-on kit. So I'm starting off with the main kit. The first item I got here is this flamingo pen. This pen is very cute and it has a fine tip which I really like. Next up is this space bookmark and it is really unique. It feels very sturdy. You can place it at the pocket of your planner to personalize your planner. Here I have this translucent glass sticky note, and this is not the usual type of paper foam sticky note. You can use marker pen to write on it if you want. It kind of reminds me to drink more water every day. As you can see, this is a planner embroidery patch sticker. You can peel off this and stick it on a PVC protective cover or even on the planner itself if you don't have that. Next is this washi tape with gold foil love wording on it, and it is really gorgeous and it just stands out very much. Here is a glitter pencil pouch, and I really like this because of the glitter. You can store your planner essentials in it. The last item in this main kit is these two sticker sheets. The first one here is a text label stickers that you could use in your planners, probably on the side of your dividers and laminate it, or just on a random paper so when you are flipping through your planner it helps you to get to the page quickly. And you can use marker pens to write something on it, for instance monthly, finance, to-do and so on. The second one has more functional stickers on it. There are some checklists, pattern flags and deco stickers. Now moving on to the add-on kits, I will start off with washi add-on kit. You will receive two washi tapes, and the first one is this floral washi tape. The second one is this pink washi tape with wordings on it. Now moving on to the sticker add-on kit, you receive 2 to 3 sticker sheets with some sticker flakes as well. The first sheet is this word stickers. The second and third sheet is this cute mini girl stickers, and we have included some sticker flakes too. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment and share if you haven't already. And don't forget to leave some comments down below and let me know what else you would like to see in my channel. And I will see you soon in my next one. Bye!